Hello camera enthusiasts, hope you're doing well. Today we're diving into Fujifilm's compact powerhouse, the Fujifilm XQ2. If you're looking for a camera that's small, yet capable of delivering high-quality shots, stay tuned as we go through its main features and what makes it stand out. The Fujifilm XQ2 is designed to blend portability with high performance, making it a great choice for photographers who want a powerful, compact camera. Its sleek design allows it to fit comfortably in your pocket or small bag, but don't let the size fool you. This camera packs some serious imaging capabilities. The XQ2 comes with a 12-megapixel 2/3-inch X-Trans CMOS 2 sensor, a feature usually found in higher-end models. This sensor structure avoids a traditional low-pass filter, resulting in sharper images. The unique sensor technology is particularly good at reducing noise in low-light situations, so you'll get clear, vibrant photos even when the lighting isn't ideal. The Fujinon lens on the XQ2 offers a 4x optical zoom range, going from 25mm to 100mm, which provides good versatility for wide-angle shots and closer portraits. The maximum aperture of f1.8 at the wide end also enhances low-light performance and helps create a soft background blur, adding depth to your images. Speed is another strong point of the XQ2. The autofocus is fast and responsive, taking about 0.06 seconds to focus, which means you won't miss those quick, candid moments. Additionally, the XQ2 has a fast startup time, so it's ready to shoot right when you are. This feature is particularly valuable for street or travel photography where things happen quickly. Fujifilm's well-known film simulation modes are also present in the XQ2, allowing you to add classic film-like looks to your photos directly from the camera. Modes like Velvia, Astia, and Classic Chrome give your shots a unique aesthetic without the need for post-processing. For photographers who like experimenting with styles, these simulations can save a lot of editing time. For video enthusiasts, the XQ2 records in Full HD 1080p, which is decent for a compact camera of this type. While it's not aimed at high-end videography, it performs well for casual video shoots or vlogging. The camera also features Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to easily transfer images to your smartphone for quick sharing on social media. The Fujifilm XQ2 is a compact but capable camera that brings together excellent image quality, portability, and a variety of useful features. Whether you're a seasoned photographer needing a portable backup or a beginner looking for an accessible yet powerful point-and-shoot, the XQ2 delivers a solid experience. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more camera reviews, and drop a comment if you have any questions about the Fujifilm XQ2. See you in the next one.